This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the joints and understanding the movement. Wrists, shoulders, and core must be engaged. Start in a lunge with your hands shoulder-width apart, fingers spread for balance. Once done, shift weight into your front hand, press through your shoulders, and practice a controlled small hop with the back leg while the front leg sweeps up to meet it. Make sure to keep a hollow core and straight arms so you don't collapse. Repeat short reps against the wall to build confidence. You now refine alignment and balance by actively stacking your shoulders over your wrists. Imagine a straight line from wrists to hips. Once balanced, squeeze your glutes and legs together. This reduces swinging and keeps the body rigid. Use fingertip pressure and subtle wrist shifts to correct small tips forward or backward. Make sure to breathe evenly, exhale on tension, and inhale to reset. Practice short holds of 5 to 10 seconds, gradually increasing duration. As you finish sessions by practicing controlled exits and troubleshooting common failures. Always plan your exit. If balance is lost, cartwheel or step down into a lunge so you don't jam your wrists. If you fall forward, tuck and cartwheel through. If you fall backward, bend the elbows and tuck the chin to protect the head. Once you can hold 20 to 30 seconds against minimal wall support, attempt short freestanding presses. If wobble persists, return to fingertip adjustments and core drills to rebuild stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.